Hello and welcome in section 3, Going Abroad Language Detection for Fun and Profit with Recurrent Neural Networks. And let's first look at our project goals. So the first goal is to learn how to prepare datasets for language detection. And you'll see that there are quite a bit of work that we need to do to make sure that the data that we use is well prepared and it will be able to be used with our recurrent neural network. Then the second goal is to learn how to classify text using PyTorch. So PyTorch, it has a very specific way of getting the data, especially working with text, and we want to make sure that we convert data into the right format so we can use it with PyTorch. And the last goal is to learn the basics of working with recurrent neural networks, specifically in PyTorch. So working with recurrent neural networks is a little bit different than working with convolutional neural networks and other networks, and this is because of the way it has been designed. But no worries, you'll learn how to do that. So let's have a look at our project's plan. So the first step to do is that we need to understand and prepare our data set for language detection. So we need to have a look at it and see what's inside of it and how we need to prepare it so we can train our models and also test them. Then after that, we'll build, train and test our recurrent neural network model. And this is a little bit different, again, like working with convolutional neural networks. And then the last step is to classify a single word to a specific language. And this is the last step, and we'll be using a trained model to do that. So I hope that this video is useful.